Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you this okra and plantain stew. And to get started, I'm just prepping some sweet potatoes. I'm going to bake these in the oven, but before I pop them into the oven, I am just removing some of the bits that I don't really want to eat on the potato. You don't have to have this stew with potatoes. You can have it with rice or dumpling or green banana or pasta or whatever, but I'm having it with these potatoes, and I'm just piercing the potatoes so that the steam can be released from them as they bake. For the base of the stew, I'm using these vegetables. So I have carrot, red onion, I also have some garlic. I think it's hiding somewhere, but there you can see it on the screen. And I have some scotch bonnet here. If you're not really a pepper kind of person, maybe you can replace the scotch bonnet or the chili with ginger, but just make sure you remove the seeds as well as the membrane so that it won't be as hot. And I'm going to transfer this all to a frying pan, and I'm going to water saute. This is nothing new. If you've been around this channel, you know that I saute things in either water or stock. So to the frying pan, I'm adding some cumin, pimento berries and fenugreek. And now I have some coriander and paprika. I'm just going to saute these in a bit of water on medium heat for 10 minutes. And whilst those are cooking, I'm going to prep the main vegetables for this stew. Make sure that you start off with clean, washed okra. So the first thing you're going to do is just to slice off the head and the tail. And then I just do this to all of them first and then slice them all together. So slice off the head and the tails and then slice them all together. I'm sure in some parts of the world this isn't actually called okra. It's called ladyfingers, or I'm sure it's got other names around based on where you are in the world. If you know this as something other than okra, let me know in the comments. For this stew, you will need a ripe plantain. So not a kind of ripe or almost ripe, a ripe plantain, because the ripe plantain will be nice and sweet, and it will help with creating almost like a caramelly type sweetness to the stew. Whereas if you use a unripe one, it's going to be quite starchy. So a ripe plantain is your best option. Let's check up on the vegetables that we have been sauteing. So here everything is nicely cooking together, all of the flavors blending. So add the plantain, the okra to the pot, as well as some salt and a bit of coconut milk to just give it a little bit of cream to it. The ingredients that I'm using as well as the measurements will be in the description box below. So if you want to make this at home, you'll be able to find those details in the description box below. I might even do a blog post for this. I haven't done a blog post in a really long time, so maybe I'll put this into a blog post. You'll now add some water to the pot and then leave this to steam for 15 minutes or 20 minutes or half an hour if you like your okra to be really slimy. But altogether I cooked this for 25 minutes. So initially 10 minutes to saute the vegetables, and then after adding the okra and plantain I cooked for further 15 minutes. So total cooking time 25 minutes, and that's because I don't like my okra to be, or this stew to be, super slimy and gunky, and I don't like all of that. But if you're all for that, go for it and make it as slimy as you like it. And then the last thing I added before leaving this to steam was some paprika, because I thought the color looked a little bit weak. So I added some paprika just to make the color pop a little bit. And then I'm going to leave this to steam for 20 minutes and then show you the final dish. So here we have the dish. The okra has thickened the sauce and the plantain has created like a nice, sweet, savory taste to the dish. Just give this a try. And here I have the potato from this morning. The potato from earlier, and look at that lovely yumminess. And I'm just going to top that with the stew. Just a quick reminder to hit the like button and the subscribe button. So if you like this video, do remember to hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed, do remember to hit the subscribe button. And here we have a sweet potato, okra and plantain stew that was just so delicious. Okra is a wonderful vegetable to use in your cooking. It's got lots of health benefits. I can't think of the benefits off the top of my head, but if I write that blog post, I will include some of the health benefits of okra. But if you know any health benefits from the top of your head, let me know in the comment section, and it might be helpful to other people read your comment. But thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Take care. Bye. As you can see, this okra stew isn't slimy, but I know some people actually love the slime. So if you love the sliminess of okra, or you think you will like the sliminess of okra, then if you make this stew, just cook the okra for maybe half an hour to 40 minutes instead of the 15 minutes that I have demonstrated in this video.